Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Charge it above 20% and back up any critical settings. Open Settings, then tap Sound and Vibration so you can access volume types directly. If you plan to remap buttons beyond system options, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone. This gives extra diagnostics and USB settings. Once done, make sure Do Not Disturb is off so volume changes register. Then proceed to adjust individual volume sliders for media, ringtone. You now use the physical volume rocker to bring up the on-screen sliders. This shows media, call, ring, and alarm volumes separately. Tap the small down arrow to expand the panel and drag each slider to the level you want. Doing this ensures one slider change won't unintentionally lower other sounds. Once adjusted, play a music file, make a test call, and set a quick alarm to verify each channel responds correctly. If levels revert, check app-specific volume controls and notification priorities. You can remap the volume buttons for custom actions by installing a trusted button remapper app. This is useful if you want one-press shortcuts or camera control. Grant the app the permissions it requests, accessibility or root if applicable, then assign simple actions and test step by step so you catch misconfigurations early. Once satisfied, lock settings or create a backup. If something goes wrong, reboot the phone, clear the remapper app cache, or restore from the backup. That usually resolves conflicts without factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.